Hey friends, I'm going to show you how to make your material relevant to your students. So we have a bunch of AI tools, but I'm going to scroll down to make it relevant. And then you're able to add what you're teaching. So I'm going to put multiplication, the grade level. I'm practicing this with my fourth graders, and describe my students. They are obsessed with Harry Potter. So I could also use the improve this for me feature. So honestly, I'm going to probably do that for what I'm teaching just to spice up the prompt a little bit, because this is definitely written out better. But I'm going to keep that they're obsessed with Harry Potter. I could then also go ahead and align to standards as well. So here we go. I'm going to go ahead and check that off, and then I can generate. All right, so as you can see, I now have a note that has created magical multiplication with Harry Potter, and all of this is themed to go along with my students' interests. I can then go ahead and do a practice test, call Kai, flashcards, or a podcast, but honestly, I am just obsessed with how the notes are written out with the Wizarding World of multiplication, the potion recipe scaling, and the house cup competition. I'm definitely going to be using this with my reluctant students to hopefully bring a little bit of magic into their day.